Hello everyone, this is Homestead with Equine, and today the berry plant that we'll be planting today is dewberry. You can see this is Austin dewberry. See, it has some nice growth to it. So here we have our water, our container we're going to plant it in, our substrate. Here it is when it's dry. I usually use my knife to push inward and pull it out. You can see right there. Just take that out and put it there and mix it up. Here's the bucket we're going to use for the waste. Let's get started. Here you can see the dewberry. So we're just going to slowly take out the dewberry and dump the soil that's in this bag. Pull that out. Oops. Okay. Here's the dewberry, and here's the roots. So what we're gonna do now, see there's a nice root growing right there, I think. Or is it another plant? Well, I think that's another plant, or another stem. Alright. We're gonna put the dewberry in here and make sure the roots get soaked. See the growth. You see the roots? We're gonna leave the roots here so they could soak and we could clean them. We're gonna dump this out. The reason I do this is to get rid of any fungus gnats and fungus gnat eggs that may be on the plant. I've done it with all my other berry plants, and we'll get back in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. So when I say a few minutes, usually about 5 or maybe 10 minutes to make sure that they're good and soaked. Alright. So from here we're going to go to our container. You see it's empty, and we're going to put in the substrate. Just put that there. Like that. Pat it down a bit, not too much. Alright. Because the root system is long, we're going to dig a little bit deep. Say that's good. Wash your hands a bit. Let's see. We're going to try to fit that like that. Alright, let's try this. So I want the root system to fit down more in the middle. I want the stem to be in the middle. But then I also want that one root to come up. So we're not going to plant it too deep. If it does come up, then there shouldn't be much resistance for it to come up. It's not that... the substrate we're using isn't that hard. It's actually pretty soft for it to come up. Let's try to stand it up a little straighter. See how that turns out. Put a little more. This substrate really is the best one I've used to grow the berry plants that are bare root. I tried other ones, it didn't work out too well. But this one, it seems to be, I have the most success with. Alright, I say that's enough. Wash my hands. Alright. That's going to be it. You can see the nice growth. Actually, for this one, we're going to put this, we're going to walk over here. I have some strawberries, and I have some other berry plants that I planted. Same method. So the reason I put these here is because the shade, the sun only hits this spot for a few hours a day, not too much. It's enough to make my strawberries grow more, but it's fine. So I'm going to move these strawberries out the way into more sun to the garden that I fixed up. And then I'm going to have this row full of berry plants. So one problem that I had was that the sun would hit it. When the sun hits these full time, like hours a day, the leaves will burn. You can see the leaves started to burn here a little bit, and down there was really dying off. I think that's gonna die, but the good thing has more growth. You can see right there. They have to acclimate. I'll do another video explaining this, but I'll just give you a real quick explanation. These small leaves, they will die in direct sun. If you acclimate them, some will survive, some probably won't. And right here, this one still hasn't grown any leaves, but they just need to acclimate to the sun. So a few hours a day, and then put them in another place that gets a few more hours, and then again until they get used to sunlight and they don't die because too much sun. Hope that makes sense to you all, and hope you are all successful. I will be doing updates on all of these. I did videos on all these. If you want to go check those out, you can. But that's going to be it. Please subscribe if you want to see updates. I will do updates on my plants. And that's going to be it. Thank you and goodbye.